Welcome to Lake Agco.
Tawi-tawi.
Morning. Maayong buntag. Tabi-tabi. Sa New Zealand parang ganito ang mag-walking ka sa mga forest nila ang ambience. You can hear the waterfalls. So.
I don't get to jump in it right.
Kalimutan ko na dito ba yung bandang waterfalls. You see the lake, it's smoking.
Yeah. Where?
There.
Oh.
That's very dangerous. That's 100 degrees Celsius.
Oh wow.
Bawal magdala ng putik or sulfur galing sa lake or pumitas na mga halaman, bawal. Wala na nila na-maintain dito ang view deck ko.
Look, it's so hot.
Try to touch the water, kuya.
No.
Kuya.
No touch.
It's alright. Touch the water. Mahulog si RJ, ma.
Oh. Oh, it's not hot.
Is it hot?
No.
Okay lang yan dito na hot, pero dyan it's too hot already. Not allowed.
Ah, grabe taas.
Not allowed there because it's boiling already.
Baka it's boiling.
That's the Lake Agco.
It's boiling.
If you fall down there, you die. You will be boiled like a chicken. Pa picture.